Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video, and today I'm here to participate in Rosemary's open collaboration every Monday. She hosted this coloring open collaboration, I think last year, where she um, kind of selects a coloring book and picks out pages for us, and we color, and then we come back on a Monday and we share them. That's the gist of it, I guess. You don't have to color in this book. You can color in any other book. Just pop on and share and put the hashtag um, color and create with us rock art. I think that's the collaborate. I'll put it down in my description, and I'll put it in my title. So Rosemary is at Rosemary You Rock Art 2111 here on YouTube, and I'll have her channel down below, so you can go check her out. So we just started this coloring book. I think today is the first day. I sat down today and colored. It was a needed time to relax. Not that my job is super busy right now. It's kind of winding down, and I am not as busy, and I am a type of person or that I'm a type of person that I need to be doing something all the time. So in between, I think it was lunchtime, I sat down and I colored, and this is our first page for this week. Isn't she adorable? Oh my god. So I used these coloring pencils that I think I either got these pencils from Five Below or um, maybe Dollar Tree. I don't know. I don't remember anymore. But I put it in this Dollar Tree pouch. And it's easy that I can just grab my book and my pencils, and I can color anywhere in my house. So I not kind of, but I loved her wings, and I picked out all kinds of different colors to make it colorful. I used kind of took my experience with Copics and applied it with my colored pencils, where I did some shading, and I'm not that great. It's been a while since I colored, and I thought this would be a great way to get back into coloring. And I just love these pictures. I didn't really go through the book, but there's some really adorable pictures in this book. And yeah, so this week we were to color this, and I think next week it's this one. Oh my gosh, I love this ice cream. It makes me think of summer, and how appropriate, because last Saturday was the first day of summer. So great pick, Rosemary. So I want to thank everybody for watching. So every Sunday I'm going to come on and hopefully share what I've colored in this coloring book. If you want to join in, you can certainly join in. You don't have to join in this book. You could, join in and color anything, I think. If you have stamped images and you want to color and you want to come on and share, be my guest. Or I'm sure Rosemary would love to see everybody's coloring and what they're doing. So I want to thank Rosemary for this open collaboration. And yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. Have a great week. It's a Monday. It's always very slow for me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.